Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashua, we have our 2016 Acura TLX. This is the V6 front-wheel drive with only 53,000 miles on it. Absolutely gorgeous example. Tons of room in the trunk. This thing is actually, it's in great shape. Now, 290 horsepower from the 3.5 liter VTEC V6, all mated to a 9-speed automatic, which for 2016 was a lot of ratios. 4 main different drive modes. You have Sport, Sport Plus, Econ, Normal. We'll start in Sport, and for the handling portion, we'll move into Sport Plus. Do have a backup camera, into normal drive, sunroof, everything you really want in this example. Yeah, and you do have heated seats. They're controlled through here. So I've spent some time in the car. This thing's great. Obviously, later versions are pretty much all-wheel drive. Then I can kind of see why. The front-wheel drive definitely starts to overpower the front tires when you're really starting to apply power. But it does make for a pretty fun experience because you're really almost on edge of what those front tires can really do. Into Sport Plus, which puts the transmission into sport mode. See what I mean? Those front tires are tasked with a lot. You know, they handle majority of braking, steering, and a big torquey V6. Do have manual mode, which I will activate now. Paddles behind the wheel. This V6 is one of my favorite motors to come out of Honda, and it's one of the most popular. I mean, the Pilot had this motor, the Passport had this motor, the Ridgeline had this motor, and matter of fact still does have this motor. And I mean, now we're downsizing, we're putting turbo 4s and everything. Yeah, they have a great amount of torque, but the power delivery of these motors is something I will definitely miss. I will say, if you're not underpowered, actually, under power, it does do a good job clawing its way through the corner. It's not, I mean, I haven't really pushed this thing, but it's not really easy to understeer it unless you're really starting to go for it. Then I can see it go into oversteer. I mean, understeer. But it's a very, very good platform. It's a really good platform, and Acura does a good job with their handling platforms. I mean, they made the Type R. At this point, the Type R was in Europe, so they obviously took what they learned from that, and it made a really, really good, fun to drive car. And yes, this is just a luxury sedan, but just like the Infiniti Q50, it's made to have a little bit of sporting fun to it, just like every luxury sedan on the market, except for maybe the Maybach. No trespassing. Well, where's the fun in that? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.